In this video, we are trying to find the average for the data over here. So over here we have like 20 hours, 19 minutes and 1 seconds. So let's see, we go in our block over here. What we are trying to do is just separate the hours, minutes and seconds into three different blocks. So over here we're just going to type left, the block A1, and we need the first two, so that's 2 is for the first two elements, and then close it, enter. So we got 20, and what we're gonna do is just copy it for our whole thing. Okay. Just don't worry about it right now, because in the bottom ones we don't have any hours. All we got is minutes, so we're gonna fix that. And over here, so all we are worried about is just the first column, the first block. So over here we have 20 hours, and then to get the minutes, what we're gonna do is equal to mid A1 comma, and we are gonna type in the position for 19, which is supposed to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we're gonna type 11, and then we need 2, so we're gonna close and then enter. We got our 19, and yes. All right, and then the same thing for the seconds. We're gonna do equal mid, and then we're gonna do A1, and we're gonna see the position, which I calculated was 23, and then we need 2 digits, so we're gonna put 2, enter. We got a 1, and then I'm just gonna copy the whole thing over here. So all we are doing is just separating our hours, minutes and our seconds. So we got the first row, and then all we are left to do is just position our columns so that we can get our answers over here. So in second one, we have our 2 over here, but we are missing 20 because, like, in the second one we are missing a character, as this is just a single digit. So what we're gonna do is just go here, make a space and enter. So the second one looks good, third is okay, fourth one's good, and for the fifth one, I guess we're just missing one more space in there, so we're gonna go with a space and enter. So this looks good. 1 hour 23 minutes and 1 second. Okay, and then for the sixth one, what we are missing is the hours, so we have to put that in manually. I couldn't find any of the better solutions, but once we have this, we're just gonna enter it. No, my bad, that should be 0. Okay, so we have 0 24, so we're just gonna put one more space in there, and that should give us our answer. Yep, 0 24 and 3. So it's just a game of adjusting our things so that we can have our hours, minutes and seconds column. So I'm just gonna do it real quickly. I'm gonna put 0 hours. All right, and I forget to put like any double space. So 0 25 and 3. So I'm just gonna do this quickly in this video, and then in the next video I'm gonna show how to do the average. Okay, so in this video we're gonna find the average, and then what I did was just go over here and then control V. I'm just gonna paste the thing so that it's in the format the way I want it to be, and so we're gonna do the same thing for all of them. Okay, and then once we do that, we have our hours separated, minutes separated, and our seconds separated. So over here we're gonna go on the new show, and then we're gonna type time. We're gonna select our column, comma, this one, comma, our seconds. And we're gonna close the bracket and enter. So we have as this, and then it's just gonna suggest an autofill. Go for it, yes. And then, but the only problem is we're gonna have like 8:19, like a AM and PM, but we don't want this. We want, like, what we're doing is like calculating the duration, but this is not the duration. So what we're gonna do is click on this one, go to format, numbers, duration. Once we do that, what we're gonna do is just go through the whole thing, do it, and there we go, we have our duration. So over here we have it on our strings, over here we have it like the same thing. So you see the 2019 one, 2019 one, 229, and then it's the exact same thing, but what we do is created a duration, and then we're just gonna go here, go to our formal function, average, and for the average we're gonna select the first row to the column, and then press enter, and there we go, there we are, we have our average, and that's the F1 to F16. So that's how we calculate our average for this one. It's a tedious task to calculate, like put in the manual zeros and everything, but like I found this is the way work with the smaller data. Thank you.